Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome, 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 welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Let's discuss. Let's see what is happening in the world of crypto. So, guys, as you all know, yesterday I do said, so if you're a trader and you are trading, so don't trade with high leverage because I do show you guys this analysis yesterday, this data that. So if we break down from here, so if we could not break this $84,000, we may be going down from here. So that is exactly so what is happening in the market, as you can see. So Bitcoin could not be able to break this $84,000. So the market is likely down. So there's a lot of fantastic news to discuss. So there's a lot of bullish news in the crypto market, mostly for SRP. Hashdesk. So Hashdesk decide to expand the US spot ETF to add SRP and Litecoin to their spot ETF, and not just that, this Trump company we called let me see, World Liberty. So World Liberty raised a huge amount of money. World Liberty raised a huge amount of money. So there is rumor that they will be investing a huge amount of it into SRP and some other DeFi coins. So guys, there is a lot of fantastic news in the crypto market, even if Bitcoin is still trading sideways. So the market is still trading sideways. But let's dive into it. So there is a lot of fantastic news, and there is a huge price prediction where the big boys, which are the whales, are predicting that SRP will be heading to next. So let's see what is happening in the market, just even if ADA and more. So quickly, as you can see, Bitcoin is still trading at they are still trading between $82,000. So at $81,921, as you can see. So and yesterday during my live stream, if you haven't watched that live stream, so guys, go and watch that live stream. So because I do show a lot of data that show where we are going into the market and why the market is being down for a while. Who has been selling? That is because so even if BlackRock, so who hold a huge amount of Bitcoin in their ETF, so they are selling some of their Bitcoin, taking profit. So, and I showed all you guys those data yesterday. So if you are watching that video, so after this my live stream yesterday, so head over to my YouTube. If you are watching me from S, so head over to my YouTube at Charisco Crypto and watch the video. So there's a lot of data there. There's a lot of analysis that show how the market is going. So guys, quickly we'll be diving in, seeing the market together, where the price of SRP, according to the big boys prediction, where it will be going, and ADA, and what's happening to the market. Even if Michael Saylor, as you all know, the CEO of a strategy, Saylor, so he just create another strategy to raise more money. So on where do you think their money will be going? So to buy more Bitcoin. So quickly, let's see the market. As you can see, Bitcoin is already trading at 81,800, so which is not bad. So in the market right now, so the only altcoin that is outperforming SRP with the 7 days trade is BNB. That is because BNB meme coins are hot right now. So if you head over to Deskrina, let me quickly see if you can see. So if you head over to Deskrina, so I'm on Deskrina, as you can see. So there's a lot of meme coin popping right now. So the BNB meme coin, which is this Mubarak, so as you can see, it's at almost about a 62 million market cap. So which is great. So for Solana now to see a meme coin with about 60 million market cap is hard. That is because you all know. So people have lost hope in the crypto sector. So guys, the market is still not trading bad. So BNB is up with about 50% with in the last 7 days, and SRP is still up with almost about 6% in the last 7 days. So that is because there has been a lot of bullish news about SRP in the past few weeks. So which is good, actually good for the market. So Ripple has fight so much for this their luck is. So hopefully, so and this time is coming to an end, and SRP holder, which the SRP army, the strongest community in the crypto sector, so they are now going to finally benefit from holding their bag. So if you haven't sold, at least, so it is the right time that if for example, if finally come through, they add the SRP to the US. The spot, first of all, they add it to, if they decide to even add it to US reserve, good. If they still add make the spot ETF, good. So even if Solana is still slightly down with, even if the last 24 hours is down with almost about, let's say it's flat. So with the 7 days, it's still flat. So quickly, let's see the headlines. As you can see on my, on the headline over here. So Hashdesk seeks to expand the US crypto ETFs, including Litecoin and SRP, which is good. So this is just like what I was saying just now. So the Hashdesk decided that they will be expanding the US spot ETF to add the SRP, not just SRP, even if Litecoin as well. So which is good for the market. So there is room for everyone to grow. Yeah, my man, how are you doing? So I hope you guys are good. So how is everything over there? So guys, there is room for everyone to grow. And if you're watching me from SAKA Twitter, head over to the YouTube channel. So actually, because sometimes I do stream on YouTube, I'm not be able to stream to S. So there's still fantastic news. So every day I'm here to encourage you guys to hold your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency like Solana and the rest. So are you not to sell for the big boys? So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency have generated more wealth than any other asset in the past few years. So guys, the market, there's still a lot of fantastic news, there's still a lot of bullish news. So all you just need to do is to hold. So don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. Put that in back of your mind. Any money that you'll be using for paying rent or one or two things, so don't invest it in crypto. So this market is always volatile. So as you can see on this other headline over here, so SRP price target $30 as analysis bullish bottom breakout. Guys, do you think that SRP will be going to $30 per coin? So if you think so, drop your comment on that. So for SRP to head to about $30 per coin, let's quickly see the market cap. We're at about $2.20 right now. $2.20. We have 113 billion market cap. That will take us to almost about okay, in order to be in the that will put it up to about 1.5 trillion market cap, which is not bad. Just having equivalent market cap of Bitcoin right now. So we take it to, if it has equivalent market cap of Bitcoin, so we take it to $30 per coin. So which is actually not bad. Yeah, for sure, anything is possible in crypto. Anything is possible in crypto. When it comes to crypto, anything is possible. There is something happened in the few days back. I don't know. I don't even know how to share it with you guys. I bought meme coin, worth about $400. I was about to sleep, so let me deviate a little bit. So before we come back to the crypto market, so let me share it with you guys. I bought meme coin, worth about $400. So it was not that doing great. I said, okay, so I want to go to bed. It was already late. So let's say, because I'm streaming from Europe. So it was about between 2 p.m. in European time. 2 p.m. Yeah, no, that was about 2 a.m. 2 a.m. So 2 a.m. European time. So I was about to sleep. I set them off. So I went to bed. You guys can't believe. In the morning, so the particular meme coin which I hold, the $400 worth of meme coin which I hold, I checked it out in the morning. It was about $50,000. It was crazy. It did about 100 and something S. The market cap was about $1 million. So when I sold, so it was already going down. So I bought it to the meme coin when the market cap was between about $800. So I sold when it was between $1 million because the market was not that big. So when I woke up in the morning, the market cap was trading around 115 million market cap. Check that out. It's about $50,000 for that meme coin worth about $400. If I'm not home. So one thing is that one thing crazy about crypto is that most of the time you hold, so you hold it will get to zero. So that's the people are saying that SRP will be going to $30 per coin. So quickly, as you guys can see, so they're predicting SRP to go to $30 per coin. Just like a few years back, people were saying, Bitcoin will go to $100,000. Nobody ever believed till this 2024. So Bitcoin hit for sure, my man. I'm telling you the reality. So it was crazy when I wake up in the morning. I was just like, so why don't I slept off when after I bought that Bitcoin? It was crazy. So $50,000, that is crazy, man, guys. So guys, I say that. So there is opportunity in this space. That is what I always say. So with crypto, so everything is possible. You can make $1 billion overnight. So all you just need to know is you have to know how the system works. Imagine there are people who, for example, they tell them right now, meme coin is going up. So they will be asking how to buy. So they will be asking, how do I buy into it? Some people will even tell them, go and use your credit card. So how do you expect that kind of person to take profit? So you are buying meme coin. You don't even know what you are buying. You don't even know what you are investing. So it does not work that way. That is why I always encourage you guys. You have to start now. Even if it is with like about $2, $3, start throwing it around the market. So whenever the market go up, you know how the market works. So you know where to buy and you know where to sell. It's very, very important. People are coming into the market right now. They don't even know how to use a centralized. They don't even know how to use decentralized wallet. So just because they hear that one meme coin is going up with about 100%, so they will be asking how to buy in order for them to use their credit card to buy. So how do you think you will take profit? Those are the people who lose money in crypto. So it does not work that way. You have to know how the system works. It's very, very important. So guys, if you think SRP is going to $30 in this, anything is possible, but in this cycle, let's see. To me, in this cycle, it may not happen this cycle, but it may be next cycle. So, but if you think it will happen this cycle, let me know in the description. Drop your thoughts. So that at the end of the stream, so we will discuss about them. So guys, this is another bullish news here. So Trump won Liberty Finance, raising $550 million as a major DeFi disruption. So this Trump Liberty Finance raising another, also about raising another $500 million. So to buy more DeFi, and there are rumors that they will be buying. Good evening, Benita. How are you doing? How's work? I hope you guys are good. So just to do the here. So there are rumors that they will be investing half of this into SRP sector, so which is good, and they will be investing in DeFi as well. So crypto is here to stay. The big boys are still buying. What I always say is that you have to take profit. It's very, very important to take profit so that if the market dip down, so you will be able to buy back. So if you are just coming into the market right now, you have $100 to invest. Don't invest it all. It's very, very important not to invest it all. So that if the market is down, you could be able to buy back. So Bitcoin is already way too off. We went from $60,000 to $108,000. It's slightly down with about 20%. We haven't down with about 50% yet. So people are already too fearful, as you can see. So let's quickly see the fear and greed leaders. So the fear and greed leaders is between 25. When just 3 months ago, the fear and greed leaders was between 80. So the fear and greed leaders was between 80. As of today, it's between 25. So imagine Bitcoin now did back down to 50% from here. If Bitcoin went from $82,000 to $80,000, a lot of people will be more fearful. But we don't forget, this is the first time we now have institution, the big boy, last year is the first time ever. So we have a Bitcoin ETF is now about a 1 year old now. So and we now still have a spot. We have a spot ETF which is 1 year old. Now we now have the US adding Bitcoin to their reserve. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So the best strategy is for you to know the right time to buy and the right time to sell to take profit. So you may not go out of the market totally, but know how to take profits. It's very, very important. Let's see what's next. Okay, guys, you guys know that a few days ago, about 8 days ago, right now. So I showed you guys that this dude, this one who short Bitcoin with almost about because he used a 40S. The total was about $516 million or 40S Bitcoin short. So he has closed the trade with about $9.4 million in profit. Guys, men are making money, man. As you guys can see, those dudes are making money. So in order for you to take a big position like this, you all know you have to understand how the market works, just like what I was saying. So if you can reach $516 million so to short the market, that means so you know how the market works. You know the right time to buy into the market and the right time to sell. Just like yesterday, I showed you guys when I showed you guys this chart. As if we did not break off from here, if we did not break this $84,000, so we'll be dropping down, just like as well. So this person, let's say, for example, you notice, yes. So this analysis, so when you see this chart, all you have to do is for him to show the market. Now, as you can see, we did, yesterday was trading between $84,000. Now we did back down to $82,000. Now he has already pocketed $9 million. So he has already pocketed $9 million. So which is good. So that is the strategy of trading. So if you want to trade, and if you are just coming into the market, don't trade with high leverage. So they will liquidate you. Those big boys, they have their strategy to liquidate you in the market. So you will lose all your money by trading by using high leverage. So this year dollar cost average into the long term is the best strategy to win for a long run. Let's see what next. Trump hold $3.4 as Dulos arrives in Dubai. So guys, few months back, if he was not here, about 7 to 8 months right now, so they arrested the CEO of the tech company, which is the Tron Coin. So that is because he's still the one who is behind Telegram. So they arrested him in France, and after his release, the Tron Coin, as you can see, is up with the last 7 days. It's up with about 36%, which is bullish for them. So if you're holding Tron right now, so you're in a good position. It's trading at about $3.16, which is good. So guys, the market is still doing fantastic, as you guys can see without Bitcoin. SRP and as you guys just see, the way I'm predicting $30 for a coin. So if you are holding SRP, be calculating your bag right now. So be calculating your bag just like years back. So when I heard someone saying, speaking about SRP, say we'll be going to $120 per coin. So just like as a favor just say right now, so crypto, anything can happen. So in crypto, anything can happen. Imagine if a Swiss decide to use them as a payment, international payment, and that may happen. So we are just in the start in the crypto sector. So guys, as you can see, that's so Swiss Cardano banks started offering Cardano and an average to make increase in demand. That's not just the youth are investing in crypto right now. The banks are investing into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. As you can see, which is this was a bank called Cotona. So they are investing, as you can see, they are now offering ADA and Avalanche. So why do you think those big boys are investing in Avalanche and AVA? That is because now they know, they realize that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. The payments, Bitcoin and crypto is going into the payment system. That is what Bitcoin is made for. So if you want to if you want to send money to someone in most of the African country right now, you can't be able to send money to them directly. But with Bitcoin, no one can stop you. You may decide to send $1 million worth of Bitcoin right now. In as far as you hold your, even if you are not in this centralized exchange, you can do that. But if you are using your decentralized wallet, you can set $1 billion without nobody questioning you. So that is one of the freedom of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So it's not just about making money, but are you free when? So how much freedom can that money give to you? So that is Bitcoin and crypto give you that freedom. You want to send, you will be able to hold $1 billion in cash with your just about hardware wallet or in your decentralized wallet. So you just need to do is to remember the key phrase. You can even travel without having any credit card in you. So when you get there, all you just need to do is for you to write out your key phrase. So you have your money there. So crypto and Bitcoin is here to stay, and it's taking over the world without being told. So banks are now offering the cryptocurrency. A few years back, all they said that crypto is used for fraud and this, and you all know that is not true. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Bitcoin is that asset that has a mass supply of 21 million. You confiscate it. So you can print more Bitcoin, but they can print more money. It is happening around the world today. People are complaining because our buying power keep going down every single day. This is because the government keep printing more money into the system to have more money to use. But that affects us. It causes inflation. So more money they print, more inflation they cost. More inflation they bring into the system. I saw an article a few hours ago when Elon Musk, I don't know if I can be able to bring that out here. What Elon was saying is that I do show it to you guys yesterday. Elon said that he discovered another 14 printing machine, money printing machine, 14 money printing machine. He said they print money from air. How can that be possible? So you think that is not possible, Abi? So the government every single day they keep printing more money into the system, spending unnecessarily. So to cause inflation, our buying power keep decreasing every single day. What you could be able to purchase last year, you could be able to buy last year with about $100. As of today, if you go to market, so you'll be able to purchase with like $120. The inflation is going up with almost about 10 to 20% yearly. But the government will say that the inflation go up with about 2-3% a year, which is not true. So the best strategy is to invest in a strong asset like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And if you are coming to the crypto right now and you want to start investing in cryptocurrency and you don't know how to start, that means you haven't been watching my videos. So go and watch all my videos. So I'll be explaining how you'll be able to start investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So as you guys know, every single day I do put Bitcoin first. That is because Bitcoin always outperform other cryptocurrency. Even if as of today, Bitcoin just dipped down with about 20% since January. Other altcoin already down 50%. So at least when you're investing, try to make sure you have your 40% in Bitcoin, 20% in the big cap. This is what has been working for me. It's not a financial advice. So 20% in the most big cap, the other 20% in meme coin. So the other remaining 20%, the other remaining 20% will be going to NFT sector. So 40, 20, 20, 20 into 4 places. So that is one of the best strategies, which I think it works. Go and check it out with the statistics. Show that Bitcoin has created more millionaires than every other asset in the past 3 years. If you click into Bitcoin right now, let's see the performer for all the total. You can't even check it. The millions here is insane. Bitcoin is up with almost about, let me get it, what's about 132 million% for the past year. For less between a decade right now, 132 million%, which is crazy. So you can see it over here. So with the percentage. So there's no any other asset that has outperformed it. That is why Peter Schiff, which is our man, is always against Michael Saylor. He thinks that Michael Saylor investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency It's not a good idea. So that's the tariff is still going on. As you all know, President Trump to implement a tariff in countries which is causing war between countries right now. So it's just like a tariff war, or we can call it a trade war, which is crazy. So, and in his recent this interview, they asked him, so what does he have to do about that? He said that he's just starting, so which is not good for the market at all. So that is why you always try to make sure you have some cash on your side. So if you are in profit, but if you are not in profit, hold the one you already bought. So try to hold the one you already buy, so that the big boys will take them away from you. It's very, very important. So the crypto sector, crypto is here to stay. Bitcoin is here to stay. So you don't have to be scared. You don't have to be scared. Our man, which is Michael Saylor, the CEO of Strategy, let me quickly see if I'll be able to bring it from. Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor bringing this out, tweeted this out on his Twitter account a few hours ago. He said that they are raising more money to buy more Bitcoin. So a lot of people go into the comment. People are fearful. People have been scared that Michael Saylor have been raising so much money to buy Bitcoin. Just imagine if they get caught by magic call, that will really affect them a lot, because they have been borrowing more money to buy more Bitcoin. And their total Bitcoin holding, there was in profit, was almost about 22 billion in profit. There was in profit with about 22 billion just a few months ago. Now Bitcoin is down tremendously, and they are almost out of profit, but they're still in profit with like 8 billion. But what if they run out of profit? So we just said they are Bitcoin. So that is what people have been worrying about. So, and if they decide to sell their Bitcoin, if they run out of profit, so it will really affect the market. But sellers say, so even if Bitcoin dip back down to $1, so he will be buying more Bitcoin. He will buy all of them if Bitcoin dip back down to $1. Okay, so let's see. So to me, Bitcoin will never go to $1 a day, and you all know that. So because Bitcoin is being powered by miners, so all over the world, and Bitcoin, you will never see Bitcoin at anything can happen in crypto, but not $1. So Bitcoin may still go back down to like $20,000. Okay, I agree. But even if Bitcoin go back to $20,000, you don't have to be fearful. You have to take it as an opportunity to DCA more, to buy more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So guys, the takeout is that Bitcoin is here to stay. The best strategy is by DCA. So if you haven't started investing in Bitcoin cryptocurrency yet, so the best time to start is today. So try to have an exchange account. There is a link in the description of this video to register with BYBIT. So verify your document. So you deposit cash. At least you can deposit $2, $3. So you could be able to DCA into your portfolio. And don't forget, our DCA portfolio will be starting the next few months. So what will be adding in between $50 to, when I'll be adding $50 to my portfolio every single, to be on Thursday, once in a week, I will be adding $50 to my portfolio. You may decide you'll be adding $2, $3, which is good. So it depends on your capacity. So try to have some cash on your side. So when I'm buying, you will see what I'm buying. So the next few months. So guys, as you can see, the market is still not bad. It's still trading sideways. Just like yesterday, I said, be careful. When Bitcoin was still trading around $84,000, say the market may dip back down more. So when I saw this chart, which I showed you guys just now. So yesterday was around here. So was on this edge. Now we fall a little bit below. So we see show that the market is still not trading back. So guys, as always, don't forget to smash the like, share this stream with your friends and family in order for them to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so they could tune in every single time, so we could be able to discuss about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency together. And every end of the month, so don't forget, this end of the month, I will be giving out some NFTs. So in order for you to eligible, what you just need to do is by sharing the live stream with your friends and family. So share with group, share in group, So share with friends and family. Always smash the like and turn on the show bell so you will be eligible. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. And don't forget, you are smart and intelligent. With crypto, financial freedom we shall achieve together, guys. See you all tomorrow. Charisco is out.